Have you ever wondered how some people who don't seem exceptionally smart or talented end up manifesting incredible wealth and success? Today, we're going to explore this intriguing phenomenon and unveil a powerful secret: the law of assumptions. This video is your gateway to understanding and harnessing this law to manifest financial abundance, even if you've doubted your abilities before. Imagine this. Individuals who might not score the highest on an IQ test or don't boast of elite educations, yet they're living lives of extraordinary wealth and freedom. What do they know that others don't? It's not about their intellectual capabilities, but about the assumptions they hold about themselves and the world around them. In this video, we dive into how you can leverage the law of assumptions to manifest millions. We'll guide you through an enlightening process to shift your mindset, realign your subconscious beliefs, and overcome the negative assumptions that have been holding you back from financial success. This journey is more than just about aspiring big. It's about turning those aspirations into tangible reality. Consider John, average in school, now a CEO, or Sarah, a college dropout turned tech mogul. Their edge wasn't a high IQ, it was their unshakable belief in their destined success. So the big question is, how do you start? First, gain crystal clear clarity. What does your financial success look like? Visualize it, feel it, and believe it's already yours. This isn't wishful thinking, it's a powerful alignment of your entire being with the wealth you're destined for. Now let's dive into the practical 4 steps to turn your assumptions into a wealth-attracting magnet. It's time to shift gears from what if to what is. Step 1. Erase doubt, embrace belief. Begin by identifying those nagging doubts that whisper you can't achieve financial success. Challenge them. Replace them with affirmations of your capability and worth. And the perfect mantra for this is, I am deserving of wealth and success. Make sure to write it in the comments section under the video. Step 2. Visualize and feel. Close your eyes. See your bank balance swelling. Feel the freedom of financial abundance, the joy of achieving your goals. This emotional alignment is not just a practice, it's a transformation of your reality. Step 3. Take inspired action. Manifestation isn't just thinking, it's doing. Align your actions with your financial goals, seek opportunities, educate yourself, and make smart financial decisions. Be proactive in creating the wealth you visualize. Now let's dive more deeply into how to do them and achieve our inevitable success. Your subconscious mind is a powerhouse that works day and night, shaping your reality. It's time to align it with your wealth goals. How? Through consistent, positive messaging. Firstly, immerse yourself in positive affirmations and visualizations right before sleep. Why? Because the moments before sleep are when your subconscious is most receptive. Picture your success. Repeat your wealth affirmations. Let these be the last thoughts before you drift off. Next, use visualization, not just as a practice, but as a daily ritual. See yourself achieving your financial goals vividly. Engage all your senses. The more real it feels, the more powerfully it imprints on your subconscious. Incorporate small daily habits that affirm your wealth journey. It could be reading books on financial success, listening to motivational podcasts, or even surrounding yourself with people who embody the success you seek. Your environment significantly influences your subconscious beliefs. Remember, reprogramming your subconscious isn't an overnight feat. You might face challenges and doubts. When they arise, return to your affirmations and visualization. Consistency is key. Since we are talking about affirmations, and we just learned that they are powerful tools for reshaping your mindset and fostering a positive approach to your goals, including financial success. Here are 3 most powerful affirmations you can use. I am a magnet for prosperity and abundance. Wealth naturally flows towards me. Every day, in every way, I'm becoming more financially abundant. I am deserving of financial freedom and security. Once you start repeating these, they will work by harnessing the power of positive thinking to reshape our subconscious mind. When we repeatedly vocalize or think affirming statements, we start to shift our internal narratives and beliefs. Our brain, unable to distinguish between reality and vivid imagination, begins to accept these affirmations as truth. This process gradually alters our mindset, transforming negative thought patterns into positive ones. As our mindset changes, so does our perception and interaction with the world, leading to a more positive outlook and behavior that aligns with our affirmations. This alignment can then manifest in tangible changes in our lives, including our financial situation. Let's be clear, manifesting wealth through the law of assumptions isn't a promise of instant riches or a magical solution. It's a testament to the power of consistent, deliberate effort. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your financial goals, day in and day out. This approach is rooted in realism, acknowledging that while the universe plays a role in guiding us, our own persistent efforts are key. It's a journey of self-discovery and dedication, where each step, each positive thought, and each aligned action serves as a brick in the foundation of your financial future. Think back to when we first embarked on this journey, exploring the law of assumptions. We've navigated through the realms of belief, visualization, and action. Now, as we stand at the dawn of a new era in your financial life, let's embed these lessons into your daily life, transforming them into a personal mantra for wealth and success. Your mindset is the cornerstone of your journey. It's the lens through which you view your world, the foundation of your financial destiny. By tuning your mindset to resonate with abundance, you're actively constructing your wealth. It's not just about hope, it's about creating. Integrating these practices into your daily life is like crafting a masterpiece. Each day brings a new stroke of paint, a new line of detail, adding to the grand picture of your financial abundance. You shape your future with each visualization, each affirmation, each positive thought. Challenges are inevitable, but they're also invaluable. They are opportunities to fortify your resolve. When faced with doubt or setbacks, view them as the universe's way of strengthening your journey. They refine your path to success, making the achievement even more rewarding. As we bring this enlightening journey to a close, I want to leave you with a few parting thoughts. This exploration into the law of assumptions and the art of manifesting wealth is more than just a series of steps. It's an invitation to a new way of living. You're standing at the gateway to a future brimming with potential and abundance. Wealth creation is a dynamic field, constantly evolving. Embrace lifelong learning and stay adaptable. Immerse yourself in new knowledge, adapt your strategies, and grow. Your journey to wealth is an ongoing narrative, filled with learning and adaptation. You're not alone in this pursuit. Surround yourself with a community that shares your vision. There's immense strength in a collective that supports and uplifts each other's goals. Celebrate triumphs and navigate obstacles together. This journey, while personal, is enriched by shared experiences. Visualize your future self, living the reality you're creating today. This is not fantasy, it's a preview of your life to come. You're evolving into a person who naturally attracts and sustains wealth. It's a transformation that goes beyond financial figures. Believe in yourself unconditionally. You possess all the tools for success. This journey is about uncovering and utilizing the resources within you. You're not lacking. You're already equipped for the wealth you seek. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.